Hello everyone, Joy from the Apollo team here. So I've got some exciting news. We just recently added the Mexc exchange, that's the Mexc exchange, to our ever growing list of exchanges you can use to connect to our software wherever you are in the world. Alright, this exchange is really great because you can use it in Africa, Europe, Asia, Oceania, Latin America like Brazil, Argentina, and many other countries. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be guiding you on how to connect this exchange, how to bind it to your Apollo account. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to open up your home page in Apollobot, and then you tap here on API. You scroll down to where you find Mexc exchange. You tap on it. Then you go over to your exchange and you tap here at the top left corner on this icon here. Then you tap here on API management. All right, so I noticed that the page here when you tap on API is blank because for security reasons Mexc exchange doesn't allow us to video the page. All right, this page. So what I did is that I did a screenshot, and I'm just gonna be showing you what to do. Okay, on the screenshot is the same thing, so just please follow me. So this is what the page looks like, right? All right, so what you have to do here on spot, you tap here, 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 and here. Please do not tap on withdraw. If you tap on withdraw, you will not be able to bind because the only thing our API does is to trade. Okay, if you tap on withdraw, you will not be able to bind. Okay, so skip the withdraw. Here on futures, you select this, you tap here and here. Simple as that. And then here you need to label the API Apollobot, and then you go to your Apollo account and copy the IP address. You tap here on this button, right? This button here to copy, and you will paste what you have copied here in this box. You agree to the terms and conditions, and you tap here on create. As simple as that. Okay, once you tap on create, a new page will open up, of which we still cannot see it because it's blank, but I did a screenshot. So hold on, let me show you what it looks like when you tap on create. So this is the page you see when you tap on create. Okay, the page to insert your verification. Okay, because verification codes will be sent to your email and to your phone number or your Google Authenticator, depending on what you're using. All right, so when you're done inserting the verification code for your email or your phone number or your Google Authenticator, you tap here on submit, and another page opens up. Okay, so let me show you what that page looks like. All right, so this is the page that opens up, and you're gonna have to copy the API key. The access key is also the API key, so you tap here on copy. All right, then you copy the secret key here, tap on copy, and you paste it here in your Apollo account here. All right, you paste it here, and then you will tap here on confirm. All right, after tapping on confirm, you come over to your Apollo account, you tap here on import. See, API import successful, and you can confirm it here. You can see that it's bound with your Apollo account. As simple as that, guys. Okay, so this is really great, guys. You know, with the Mexc exchange that is now available in Apollobot. We'll still be adding more exchanges in the second half of the year, And what's more exciting is that we'll be adding a decentralized exchange very soon. Hopefully within the next 3 months that should be concluded. All right, guys, this is all to increase the ease of connecting to a software wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.